Alright, it is my second full day in Bali, and today I'm going to take a grab up to Ubud, and I'm going to try some Kopi Luwak coffee, and I'm going to try to get some footage of some pretty waterfalls and maybe go for a swim. So let's head out.
Three color, green, yellow until red color ready to pick.
Oh, okay. So those ones are ready to pick?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Green color not ready.
Okay, cool. Oh, and this is a civet in here?
Yes, this is an animal we call in Bali luwak.
Okay. We call it civet. Civet. Yeah.
We call in Bali luwak. Luwak active at night.
He's sleeping.
Get the coffee bean and then red color the represent stomach.
Yeah.
And luwak in the morning food.
Yeah.
Luwak also in the banana and papaya.
Cute. Can I touch him?
No.
No?
Like this.
Okay.
Bite.
He'll bite me?
Yeah. Nighttime active, in the morning sleeping.
Yeah. He's so cute. So this is the Kopi Luwak coffee?
Yeah, this is food from animal luwak.
Yeah.
So after this, we washing in the water.
Okay.
And then we open one by one, like this.
Yeah.
And then we dry until 3 days.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay, and then one after clean and we dry.
Oh cool. So this is ready to make coffee?
Yeah. The last process roasting, we dry, we roasting until 45 minutes.
Okay. Cool.
And then one after roasting.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah. So the last process roasting, we ground it. And then the last process grounded to filter.
Oh, nice.
Ready, and that one come again to ground it.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I want the Luwak coffee.
Yeah, for 1 cup, 50,000 rupiah.
Okay. He's so cute. Me. We're swinging over there.
You want to from here?
Okay.
And then one mangosteen tea,
Mangosteen?
lemongrass,
Okay.
ginger tea, and then one turmeric, rosella,
Okay.
red ginger, green tea,
Okay.
and one pandan tea, ginseng coffee, Bali coffee, then one vanilla, avocado coffee, Bali cacao, and coconut coffee, and then one cocoa spice.
Okay, cool. So it's all of them.
Yes.
Nice. It's just the tasting of all their different teas and coffee. That's so cool. I'm really excited about this. So I think I want to try the Kopi Luwak coffee first while my palate is still untouched. Let's try this Kopi Luwak coffee with no cream or sugar first. I never drink coffee with no cream or sugar. It's very thick and strong, like a Turkish coffee. There's bitter notes on the front, but almost no bitter aftertaste. I just tried it with the cream and sugar, and it's very good, but I'm going to have to let it settle because it's got grounds in it. It is just like Turkish coffee. It's very buttery and nutty. It smells slightly like hazelnut. It's got a really creamy mouthfeel. And once you put the cream and sugar in it, there's almost no bitterness at all. And I put very little too. Yeah, I see what the hype is about, and I'm not even like very good at distinguishing the flavors of coffee, but yeah, it's really nice. Well, this place is adorable. It's called Selic Swing and Luwak Coffee if you want to come here. It's got these little feisty guys. Yeah, pretty cool. I enjoyed it. Loved the free tea and coffee tasting. Definitely something to do when you come to Bali. Goodbye, buddy. Oh, cool. There's a waterfall over here somewhere. I can hear it. Oh, look at the rice. I never saw this.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of rice. Wow. Very cool. Everybody's swimming down there. No? Hello, chicken.
You will see a lot of chicken in Bali. This first time you come to Bali?
Yes.
Yeah. For how long you stay in Bali?
1 week.
1 week? Yeah. Some my friend take the video of this river.
Yeah.
And falling in the Tegenungan waterfall.
Okay.
This is the water.
Nice.
Yeah. So close from here. That's the best one in Bali.
The best waterfall?
Yeah, it's Tegenungan waterfall. This is the, I think that's so very famous because lot of artists coming there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can swim there too.
Swim in this water.
Yeah, people were swimming.
Yeah. In the water. So
I didn't swim,
You
but
didn't swim?
no.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. You're making this one.
Instant coffee.
That's amazing.
Yeah, we're gonna maybe take some videos with him.
Wow, that's so cool. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Here, making this.
You make this bridge?
Yeah.
It's safe?
Yes. So just need maybe 5 hours to make it.
That's it?
Yeah. That's it. So, but lot of people to make it. So
Okay.
work together. Yeah. It's the architect. You get to hear the architect.
Alright, this guy convinced me to get in the water, the rapids, and get a picture by the waterfall.
Say hello. Wow, it's amazing. It's good. Okay. Just with it.
What are these? I keep seeing those.
We call it chana.
Chanang?
Yeah.
This is kind of a journey. Wow, that's so cool. You can't even see where it comes from. This seems very safe and not treacherous at all. Oh. That's amazing. And all these carvings in the wall are so cool. There are small dogs coming. Hey. You a fighter? You a fighter? Headed back. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.